Welcome to Gari Auto Care. I'm Tim Wire. Right now I have Subaru Forester. This vehicle has a problem with misfire. So I'm going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the main fault code. So I'm going to use my this is the gadget I'm going to use to scan this vehicle. So local diagnosis, then Subaru. This is the vehicle brand key. Wait for a minute. This vehicle has a misfire, and misfire can cause by spark plugs, ignition coil, or wiring issue. Japan. So to be in a safe side, we are going to scan this vehicle so that we identify the fault code, then we figure out the main causes. Can be the nozzles, can be the ignition coil, can be the spark plugs, or can be the wiring issue. So just while I'm scanning this vehicle, read code. So here the main fault code is P0304, which is cylinder 4 misfire detected. Then we have 20B1 preparatory codes, meaning we have a fault code on cylinder 4 misfire. Even the check engine is flashing on the dashboard. Let me try to accelerate. So let me try to clear the fault code from the system. Let me clear the fault code. See, we still have fault code. The problem is ignition coil number 4. See, the engine is running but it's not smooth. Let me show the exhaust. So we have a misfire. See, the engine is running, but check engine is flashing on the dashboard. So this is the coil 1, coil 2, coil 3, finally coil 4. So that coil 4 has a problem. So I need to remove the battery first, like that. Ratchet with 12mm box, like this. Yes. This is the ignition coil number 4. So this coil has a problem. So we are going to replace, according to that fault code, is that coil. So we are going to replace with a new one. This is the new coil. So I'm going to install back these, that. So right now it's simple. We have found out the ignition coil has a problem. So we are swapping with a new ignition coil. So when you are using the diagnostic machine, it's easy to figure out the main fault code. But misfire is caused by very many things. Can cause by mass airflow sensor, can cause by oxygen sensor, can cause by fuel, can cause by injectors, can cause by ignition coil, can cause by ECU, can cause by ignition coil, can cause by spark plugs. So to figure out the main problem of the vehicle, you need to diagnose. After getting those fault code, you figure out according to the fault code. But according to this vehicle, the problem is ignition coil. The first suspect is spark plugs, but spark plugs are okay. So right now the main suspect is ignition coil number 4. But according to that fault code, it means that the problem can be the ignition coil or an open circuit of ignition's coil. Like that. Next is the battery. So we are going to install back the battery. This. Next is to make sure the terminals. This. After fixing the terminals, so we are going back to clear the fault code. Forester and the others engine. Like that. Still getting okay. Later, yes. So we are going to clear the fault code from the system. Do you want to clear? Yes. Please wait. Yes. Okay. Read again. So right now we don't have any fault code on the memory. Under temporary, we don't have any fault code. So when you try to start, half kick. There's no any check engine on the dashboard. The engine is running smooth. See? So here the main fault code was the ignition coil number 4. See, I'm going back to read again. Read temporary. No fault code. The engine's running. So according to this vehicle, the main fault code was ignition coil. See? So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.